Nullarbor crossing. The Nullarbor is a 1,200 kilometer road that stretches from Norseman, Western Australia to Seduna, South Australia. It is the world's largest single exposure of limestone bedrock. The name Nullarbor comes from Latin phrase for no trees, which is fitting for the plain's flat terrain. Semi-arid land, but plenty of greenery, just don't see many tall trees. Many years back, fuel availability could have been scarce, but these days most cars could do the distance between fuel stations. Not sure about EVs though. Of course, we need to carry enough water just in case the car gets stranded, but there are plenty of vehicle movements. It is a remote place as professional help won't be readily available, as it may take a day or two before you can get a tow truck or mechanical help. Need to be aware of animal crossings as they are big and the average bull bar cannot save your car. Camel, emu, big roos, wombats are some examples. We didn't come across any animal crossing in this section, lucky that way. However, the single most likely killer in this stretch of road is fatigue, boredom and micro sleep. Long stretches of road sections without much change in scenery, including other vehicles, will bore you to death literally. Bad fuel is a possibility, but our strategy of filling at every opportunity helps dilute this. I have seen many instances of people suffering from car troubles due to bad fuel in Western Australia. Our struggle to avoid any incidents with leaky fuel tank and loose clamps of rooftop tent is coming to an end soon. Once we reached Port Augusta, home in Sydney looks so close. While doing this stretch of Hume Highway, our anxiety was at peak to reach home. At the time of editing this video, we have reached home. The manufacturer of my long-range fuel tank, Out of Town ARB, Newcastle, has been very good in honoring the warranty to simply replace the tank free of cost. Gibb River Road trip can break anything. Drifta, the camping store at Heatherbrae, has been kind enough to honor the warranty and fix the channels and clamps to make the coupling between roof rack and tent more reliable. Please read my review on them if you want more info. It has been a thrilling experience reaching home without incidents, but the threat was always hanging over my head. More thrill than we bargained for. That's why these type of trips are called adventure. Yes, adventure, treading between dream and nightmare. Thanks for watching.